Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sorkar Jylla ke Mang pisah kat Klur tingta penchna Pynbhabriew ke Words League ke belong ke jaka jengok kai perthai ke pau nambah ke badan hadok nu jang ke Sorkar Jylla. Ia kini lepen tip do menteri ke Sorkar Jylla berkemi ke teran jengok kai perthai ba polling do ha ke jing kram iklar perthai ke bor ke podruk ya yong arajar pausan bari thoru ba ke pisah ke belang Mang kat Klur antashna ki cafe ke jishna ki jaka tem jingruai bat Pynbhabriew ki boarding jing shai ba kiwe bat on ladap shna Pynbhabriew ya ke por khang kan omlong show haduk ke san beji jan miet hre ke por khang kan long no haduk ke por chpo beji min miet
have now gone ahead with retransferring the Words Lake, the iconic Words Lake, which is currently with Forest and Environment Department, to the Tourism Department. The Words Lake, as you know, has even the bridge, which is iconic and symbolic of Meghalaya. It has always been with Tourism Department, but because of certain factors, it was under the custody, the care of the Forest Department. But now we have decided at a meeting chaired by the Honorable Chief Minister that it be retransferred to Tourism Department. So as we speak, we have already allocated a sum of 18 crores for the immediate development of the lake, including facilities like cafes, sound and light shows, etc. And these facilities, once we are in formal possession of the lake, we will ensure first that the timings will change. The closure will not be 5 p.m. as it is today. It will be 10 p.m. and it will also create facilities for leisure and entertainment for visitors to Shillong who complain of not having any activities during evening hours. It will also help our government employees to, the offices close at 5 and the lake shuts at 5. So at least they should have some time to walk around and do physical exercise. A major attraction would be the sound and light show, because this will also attract people. We will have events, we will have shows, something that other cities, more advanced cities, have been able to manage. So we will upscale the entertainment value of the lake. It has always been a major tourist destination and attraction, but now because of its early closure, the fact that it is not well lit, the fact that there is a dearth of staff to handle the various activities, all of these have been impediments which we will now overcome once this comes back to us, and that decision has already been taken.